Hi guys, and welcome back to Flea Market Finds. Throughout our adventure, sorry I've been MIA for a couple days since we have been driving all over. I just wanted to update you on this video. This is an untouched cabinet that was in a factory. It's got all kinds of lathe parts and all different types of things. As we can take a look up here, you guys have some lathe tooling, a tool holder, a live center, some drills, a south bend, it looks like rest. You've got some lathe stop. You've got some inserts and cutting tools. You have a dead center here. You guys have some tool posts here. A few other cutters back here, and a moment of truth to show you guys. Let's open the cabinet. I haven't even taken a look at this yet. As we open it up, there's a whole bunch of goodies. You've got some cutting tool holders. You've got some drills, some reamers. Some of it's almost looks like it's new. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys all kinds of things that were in here. Some regular knife, some drills, and so on and so forth. Small, big. I do like the retro cabinet, though. It's really old. It's pretty solid for this much stuff that's in it. You have some more drills. It looks like some carbide, some other drills. If we take a look over here, we have some boring bars. Pretty much vintage. You got some other tool holders here. Yeah, this big one over here. Wondering if it says anything, if it's a homemade one. Looks to be, oh, actually, it does have a name on it. Says Armstrong, Chicago, USA, patent pending tool holder. You've got a knife on the end. You've got some of that right here. We go down a little bit. You guys have some spanner wrenches, some more reamers right here, some more drills. This thing is actually really, really heavy. When we were moving it out, it was crazy. So we open it up. We got some more spanner wrenches, some more tool holders. We actually have a ruler over here. Cooper Weymouth Peterson coil feed systems that measure up. Could show you right there. Actually, Cooper Weymouth are take-ups. I did some reading about it. Some payoffs, wire, flat material, and some stock. I did some reading. If you guys want to do some reading on Cooper Weymouth Peterson, their feeds, take-ups. You can also see over here coil feeding systems that measure up. The other side has some graduations on it. That's something that I may want to do some more videos that we may come across. So we're going to take a look up of here a little bit. Maybe we have a name on this right here that we did not. I got to turn it around actually. It actually says McWilliams Tool J and S drop forge and OV. It's got the small tool holder right here. Now I showed you the lathe that was. We showed you the south bend, and the we actually did show you some more the south bend here, the carriage stop, and we go down here a little bit. In the next few videos, we're going to show some more things that we took out of a shop that were pretty much interesting. That was kind of a package deal. I don't know if we paid too much or along the way. Pricing it out takes a while. So I hope that you guys take a look at my other videos, and thank you very much for your time.